Here I have Motorola Moto G41, and today I'm going to show you how to enter test mode on this device. So firstly you have to open your phone application, open keypad on it and enter the secret code, which is *pound *2486 ***. And that's how you can enter this mode. So here in this mode you can test different features of your device, like it's all its functions, which you can see in this list, like VLAN, vibration, USB Type-C test. You can test SIM card, touch panel, touch screen, like physical keys, like this. You can also test like display, camera, Bluetooth. You can view battery info here, and lots of other testing features which you can test, like if these features work on your device correctly, or is there some issues. So yeah, could be very interesting and useful mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.